Hey guys, this is Bree for Phone Magazine. We're unboxing the Kyocera KR2 and the Kyocera KPC680. Having a little issue with the box. So this would be the Kyocera KR2 router. It allows you to take the Express card or the PC card and insert it into a router and make anywhere you go a hotspot. Here's the Kyocera router. So on the back, got a 4-port hub. It does work with any modem. Got a USB, you can plug in your phone and actually use the modem from your phone. The power slot. Then over here on the side we have the slot for the Express card. I'll actually go ahead and demonstrate. We slide the Express card right in there, it just kind of clicks in place. You can click it out, and if you do want to use the adapter, it can take a PC card. This is going to be the Kyocera KPC680 air card. I'll be testing this out this week. Part of my review this week will actually be testing the Sprint air card. It's a USB air card right here. Should work just the same, just like the PC Express cards in it. Check back in a couple days for my full review.